food. Look at them. Whoa. Yeah, you flap that tail. Every time I breathe, the camera goes up. I should just not breathe. Did you see that? Oh, it's screaming. They must be babies. They're waiting for food. Hopefully their mom is coming back. There's a bunch of bad birds in the neighborhood that kill other birds and eat them. So I really hope that didn't happen. I'm sorry you just had to see that bird shit. Okay, you're literally not doing anything. My arms are getting so tired. Ah, you. 180'd. What you gonna do? I'm gonna puff his chest. It's so strong and mighty. Eminem. I think these birds from stopping me from eating an entire 4-piece Kit Kat at 8 in the morning instead of breakfast. They look like good pals. Look at that. They defend each other to the death.